Hi mga ka-watchers, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another episode of this Bajaj RE, the 2025 edition review. So i-reveal po natin yung specs tsaka yung price kasi the last time I posted, umabot siya ng 100k yung views at tapos ang daming mga comment nagtatanong kung magkano yung presyo, ano bang yung specs at iba pa. So I'm excited to share to you everything. Might be this is your dream vehicle sa mga abroad natin, mga Filipino, tsaka yung mga anak dyan na gusto nila regaluhan yung papa nila just to have this kind of unit. So tulungan nyo ako o tutulungan ko kayo, i-explain ko kung magkano yung presyo ngayong 2025, the third quarter of this year. Tapos if we're gonna do installment, magkano yung magiging down payment, tsaka yung monthly for 3 years or 4 years at iba pa. So I'm excited to share everything with you. If this is your dream vehicle, so good luck. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Sa mga distributor ng Bajaj RE is the M-Core, kung saan nagbebenta sila ng mga brand new units ng lahat ng klase or kulay ng Bajaj RE. At the same time, may installment process. So the Bajaj RE has a 198cc engine spec. So based on our experience, mas mabigat yung mga karga, mas lumalabas yung performance ng Bajaj RE. At the same time, the 2025 edition compared to the previous one, ang daming mga nabago from the infotainment, sa speakers, sa setup ng steering wheels, yung mga horn, tsaka yung signal light, tsaka headlight. Yun yung mga bagay na sa tingin ko nag-improve naman. At the same time, yung new box ando na. So ganyan na yung parang itsura niya compared to the previous. So it has 2 speakers for both left and right. May enjoy na yung FM station, MP3, SD card, at the same time Bluetooth provided by this Bajaj RE unit. So may U-box pa din doon. So diyan yung parang mag-change tayo ng gear from 1 to 4th gear available on our unit. So signal lights and all these headlights are visible during nighttime. So di tayo ma-worry if kasi maliit yung unit, nakikita ba pag gabi. So they provided all this basic lighting para visible tayo pag gabi. Even sa likod, yung backlight natin kitang sa gabi. Tapos pag nagre-reverse tayo, umiilaw, may ilaw diyan na umiilaw din. Tapos makikita natin yung sa likod. It has a side mirror. Ayan. So with regards to the roof, ito mga ka-watchers, leather made yung ating roof. Opo. Pag materik yung araw, hindi medyo mainit sa loob, especially pag nakapark ng yung Bajaj RE natin. So some units, no, they replaced their leather roof into a fiber roof. Ang iba metal na din. Tapos yun, nilalagyan ng electric fan sa loob. Yan. The same thing, no. Nabantayan ako sa Bajaj RE nga bago is they already changed the chair sa harap, no. Di na yung parang ikaw pa yung magpapalagay. So pumupunta pa kami ng mga hardware para magpalagay ng upuan. So dito pinoprovide na, attach na siya sa harap ng driver. So for safety purposes, may lock yung Bajaj RE. Safe na safe sa mga bata unless they know how to open it. Yeah. Alright, so now let's move into the price nitong unit. So different colors available for Bajaj RE but same price. So the cash total of this Bajaj RE is 212,888 pesos. Dito yan sa amin sa lugar ng Malaybalay City. So the M-Core is selling it for 212,888 pesos. So mga ka-watchers, yan po yung cash price. So let's move in for down payment. Might be gusto nyo lang yung down payment, I mean yung installment process. So may 3 years tsaka may 4 years. For 3 years and 4 years, same down payment, no? Listen mga ka-watchers, only 1,667. Wow! Down payment nito in-offer ng M-Core. 1,667 pesos. Tapos, with regards to requirements, kung gusto nyo mag-installment for down payment na 1,000, driver's license, at the same time, 3 months proof of income. So, if either you are OFW, virtual assistant, or nag-online yung trabaho, government, at iba pang klase ng trabaho, yun yung mga requirements nila, driver's license, tapos 3 months proof of income. Let's go! So, that's the down payment, 1,667. And for 4 years na monthly, kung gusto nyo 4 years, para mas makamura, it's 8,793 pesos. 8,793 pesos for 4 years. And for 3 years naman, it's only 10,256 pesos. For 3 years. Yan. Tapos yung rebate ng Bajaj RA for installment is 400. Dito sa amin yan, no? Rebate nila is 400 pesos. So mga ka-watchers, sa tingin nyo, sulit pa ba yung magiging dream vehicle nyo sa halagang 212,888 pesos? Tapos yun yung magiging mga monthly tsaka amortization nyo. Tapos ito pa mga ka-watchers, huwag natin kalimutan, this unit also required us to have an insurance for 6,414 pesos. So si MCOR, nagre-require sila na bayaran natin yung insurance pag kumuha tayo ng unit. So 6,414 pesos for insurance. Right. Tapos so mga ka-watchers, I hope you learn something from what we're talking about this Bajaj RE unit. At the same time, if this is your dream, please contact us. I hope I can help you or assist you with any queries that you would like to ask with regards to this unit, and the price and the specs and everything, especially the experience, because this is our first unit bago kami nagka-Suzuki Espresso, and we really enjoy this, especially yung fuel consumption. Ang sobrang tipid itong unit na ito, parang nagmo-motor ka. At the same time, 5 yung sakay mo sa loob. At the same time, nag-enjoy yung nagiging travel nyo. Hindi na kayo naiinitan, hindi na kayo nababasa sa ulan, tapos safe na safe yung travel nyo. Yan. So mga ka-watchers, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.